Okay, next topic is type of learning. As we know that pattern recognition is classified into three categories. One is a supervised learning, and second is unsupervised learning, and third is reinforcement learning. Okay. What is a supervised learning? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm that uses a known data set called the training data set to make prediction. Okay. And the training data set include input data and the output data from it. The supervised learning algorithm is used to build a model that can make the prediction of the output. Means in case of supervised learning, supervised pattern whose classes is known prior are used for the training. Okay. And supervised learning include two algorithms. One is a naive Bayes classifier and second is decision tree. Now second is unsupervised learning. What is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm used to draw inferences from data sets consisting of input data without labeled response. Okay. The use in hidden Markov model used observed data to recover the sequence of states. Unsupervised learning means unsupervised number of classes are unknown and no training pattern are available. Means when we have input data but output data is not available, called unsupervised learning. Okay. And what is supervised learning? Supervised learning is when input data and output data both are present, then we say that is a supervised learning. Now see, what is a reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning algorithm which allows software agent and machine to automatically determine the ideal behavior within a specific context to maximize its performance. Means reinforcement learning is a training of machine learning models to make a sequence of decisions. In reinforcement learning, an artificial intelligence faces a game like situation. For example, alpha beta pranings is an example of reinforcement learning. Okay, this is all about supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Okay, thank you.